Now I am introducing glossary words. Obvious means clear. Indisputable means know to be true. Persistent means continuing to exist or happen. Self criticism means the act of judging one's own behavior or character. Lore means knowledge or information about a subject. Immersion means being observed in an activity. Fundamental means the most basic or important parts of something. Forensic means of scientific method of finding out of crime. Headhunt means an act of find people with right skill or experience for a particular job. Self-inflict means to cause pain or problem for oneself. Trigger means to make something happen very quickly. Stalemate means a situation in which it seems impossible to come to an agreement or disagreement. Springboard means something that helps one to start doing something. Venture means a new activity that involves risk. Indispensable means very useful and necessary. Now I am reading the lesson, that is the paragraph of 8th. In the previous class we completed up to 7th paragraph. Now we continue from the 8th paragraph, that is how the science is helpful to survival of the humankind. In the atmosphere of the ongoing Cold War, with political tensions hanging over our heads, scientists and engineers from the opposite sides of the Iron Curtain had to find a solution which outwardly seems impossible given all our differences in cultural background. What saved us was a clear and obvious distinction. We were all scientists. We were able to work out a common language based on respect to hard evidence, undisputable ranking by expertise only, and persistent self criticism. We were working out a solution that eventually allowed politicians to reach one of the most important decisions of their time's nuclear test ban. This episode taught me that as a scientist, I have people all over the world who think and interact the way I do. It taught me never to feel lonely abroad, and above all, it taught me that while there is science, there is hope of survival and well being for all of us. A common lore is that immersion in science does not go with practical sense. It is true that one occasion a greatest mathematician of our time was so involved in a current problem that he could leave home wearing shoes from two different pairs. However, if you look carefully, you will find another side to this, which makes scientists the most practical people in the world. All new technologies, all new brands of industry, from defense to entertainment, stem from fundamental research. Among past examples are antibiotics, electronics, biotechnology, synthetic fibers, the green revolution, and scientific forensic diagnosis, to name as just a few. And now Only the basic research could give us new sources of energy, new mineral deposits, and efficient defense from terrorism, cure from cancer, new forms of transportation. People trained in theoretical physics are head-hunted by financial situations. Those trained in frontiers of biological research become founders and directors in the pharmaceutical industry. So knowledge of basic science will give you a start in whatever career you choose. It is commonly recognized that the very survival of our civilization is threatened by natural and man made disasters, among them the earthquakes, self inflicted destruction of megacities, environmental catastrophes, economic and social crises. Today, a mass release of radioactivity from a nuclear waste disposal, an earthquake in the middle of a megalopolis, an outburst of mass violence, or any other global disaster can cause up a million of casualties, render large part of our world uninhabitable, and trigger global economic depression or a war in a hot region. Such dangers keep growing, although trillions of dollars are spent to contain them by all known techniques. The hope and the responsibility are breaking the stalemate rests not only on the money but on intellectual resources. Though the money is more popular, according to the French proverb, nobody is satisfied with his wealth, everybody is satisfied with his wisdom. Only the basic research can create a springboard for developing new disaster preparedness industry. Ours is the time of contest over issues not completely understood. McGeorge Bunt. Scientific research is an existing venture into the great unknown and the token of humankind's survival. It is the scientists with their tools that are up to the challenge and can ensure that we all safely move with the time. Finally, I have reminded you that science is not the beginning and not the end either. However, if humanly used, science is neither indispensable guardian and caretaker. Hello friends, in the previous class we discussed about science and hope of survival, how the science is helpful to us, what are the problems Borak Kailash have, and how he involved in the nuclear test ban. Which are the countries or we call superpowers? All those things we learned in the previous class. Today we go through the class continuation part, that what are the works they are done and how science is useful to us. Here in the atmosphere of the outgoing Cold War, yes, the situation is like that. The countries they are showing friendship in the outside, but they are enemies in the background. They don't like each other, but even that also they are showing made friendship with according to situation. forcefully they made friendship. But that is the situation was Cold War with political tensions. Yes, in that time there is a more political tensions because recently the Second World War is completed. So that's why there is a political tensions are more. Those political tensions are hanging over the heads of scientists, and engineers from the opposite sides of the Iron Curtain had to find a solution. Yes, both the countries means the whole world is become two groups in the World War. So in that time, the both team, the opposite and this one of the group, both teams are working on the same condition and for solving, they try to solving the same problem. The scientists of other countries and this country means both group of scientists and engineers are working for the save the whole world. Their aim is only one, that save the whole world, the human being. So that's why they are standing, but there is a Iron Curtain they have to find a solution. They are in the Iron Curtain. Iron Curtain means there is a very little bit gap. There very little thin layer of wall between them to if a small mistake can be made the broken of their friendship, they are going in the violent way. So that type of the situation is like that, which outwardly seemed impossible. Yes, the whole world is thinking that, looking those that how can the scientists, both group scientists are thinking in the same way. How can it possible? How can they find the solution for the same problem? Now looking outside it is impossible. Looking from the outside, it's showing that it is impossible. Given all our differences in cultural background, yes, scientists all are come from the different cultural backgrounds and different countries, but they have only one aim, that is what saved us was clear and obvious. But all the scientists and engineers are thinking for only save the world. They have only one aim, only one achievement, that they want to save the whole world, and gave clear and obvious distinction. They have the clear vision that they want to, obvious means clear distinction. They have the clear idea to save the whole world. We were all scientists. Yes, they think like that. They are all scientists. They were all scientists. They have only one aim. We were able to work out a common language based on respect to hard evidence, undisputable ranking by expertise only. Yes, we were able to work out the common language. Yes, they are using the common language, that is the based on respect to hard evidence. Yes, they are working very hard because that is the situation is like that, very hard. Here is one of the truth, that they are working for the same condition, that undisputable ranking by expertise only. Yes, they are thinking there, those who are scientists are gathered for, those are all our expertise. And persistent self-criticism. Yes, they are all criticism self. They have the knowledge that time, and we were working out a solution that eventually allowed politicians to reach one of the most important decisions of their times. Yes, they have only one work, that solution that path eventually allowed politicians. Yes, all the politicians are giving the pressure to scientists so that they want to get the solution for the problem, that if anyone is done that nuclear test, that must be no others. So that why, so they want to know about that. So they persist that self-criticism, we were working out a solution that eventually allowed politicians to reach one of the most important decision of that time. Yes, the politicians are get the one of the most important, very most important decision they have taken. That is the nuclear test ban. That is very important decision, and they have done a very good work, and in that situation they have taken a bold decision. So that's why these all scientists want to give the solution for that problem. This episode taught me that as a scientist, I have people all over the world who think and interact the way I do. Yes, the episode taught me that as a scientist. The episode taught me that the scientist Kailash Baroque says that this ingredient, this situation, this work taught him that as a scientist, I have people all over the world who think and interact the way I do. Yes, all the scientists, those who are working throughout the world are all thinking the same way, and they have the same interact the same way. So it taught me never to feel lonely abroad. Yes, even though that he was in the abroad, he was away from his country, he never feel lonely because he thinks that all the scientists are like him, he involving those work. And above all, it taught me that while there is science, there is hope of survival. He also had the thought that where there is science, there is a hope for survival. Yes, the science is save us. The science gives solution for all our problems. So science can be saved us from all the distraction and all the problems. So science can give solution for all problems. He told that, and he think that, and survival and well-being for all of us. A common law is that immersion in science does not go with theoretical sense. A common law is there. A immersion in science, the person, the scientist who was immersion completely involved in the science, not go with the practical situation, practical sense. A scientists are not in the present way. They are always thinking that their work, they are always thinking about that their research. It is true that on occasions he is the greatest mathematician of our time was so involved in a current problem. Yes, it is true. That is also true that the occasion greatest mathematician, one of the greatest mathematician once their time was so involved. He was completely involved in that current problem. He want to always thinking about get solution for that, know the nuclear test ban problem, solve the nuclear test ban problem, which was rose by that problem. So they completely involved in that, and he could leave home wearing shoes from two different pairs. Yes, the scientist is not in the practical sense. He was thinking in the other way. He wear two different shoes he wear shoes. Those are different pairs. Different pairs shoes he wear. So that is absent mind in that present situation. So his mind is in the only thinking in the solution. So, however, if you look carefully, you will find another side to this. Yes, in the another side we also think like that, which makes scientists the most practical people in the world. Also, if we think the scientists are also very practical people. In the other side way, we think like that, the scientists are most practical people. All new technologies, all new brands of industry, from defense to entertainment, stem from fundamental research. Yes, all new brands of industry, all new means early comes that brands, industry, new industries from defense. Defense means get safe from attack of others. Defense to entertainment, STEM. From fundamental research, yes, we get many more fundamental research for that entertainment STEM also. Among past examples are antibiotics, electronics. Yes, in the past examples we have that works like that. Antibiotics, electronics. These are the branches of in the science. Biotechnology, synthetic fibers, the green revolution, and genetic forensic diagnosis, to name just a few. These are only few fundamental research done by scientists. And now, only the basic research could give us new sources of energy. But the basic research is give us a basic means important source for energy. So, new mineral deposits, and efficient defense from terrorism. Yes, we must also want science to protect us from the terrorism also. Cure from cancer. Yes, science is helpful in the curing the cancer and new forms of the transportation. Yes, new varieties of transportation. That is, the organs of the body can be transported from one person to another person to live. So that is also is one of the new technology or new research of science. And people trained in theoretical physics are educated by financial institutions. Yes, people all get that knowledge of the theoretical physics. Theoretical physics means already that is theory of the physics. ಭೌತಿಕವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಥಿಯರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆರ್ ಎಡಂಟೆಡ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಡಂಟೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್. The financial situation is becoming the problem for people nowadays. Those trained in the frontiers of biological research become founders and directors in the pharmaceutical industry. Yes, the people are getting training. They have all the knowledge to perform some scientific works or scientific research, but they facing the financial problem. That's why they become lack of to get the aim or reach the aim. So that's why the founders of biological research became founders and directors in the pharmaceutical industry. So knowledge of basic science will give you a head start in whatever career you choose. Yes, basic science must be lead us in whatever the career we must choose, but the basic science must be need. It is commonly recognized that the very survival of our civilization is threatened by natural and man-made disasters. Yes, commonly recognition. Commonly means generally we know about that a very survival of civilization. If this civilization is exist in the world, that is threatened by natural and man-made disaster. Yes, many times our civilization attacked by natural disaster or man-made disaster like that. So among them are earthquake, natural disasters are earthquake, self-inflicted destruction of megacities. Yes, now we building a megacities, that is also become the effect on the health of the human being. The megacities, the developing of megacities are directly affected on our environment. So that's why that is also cause for natural disaster. Environmental catastrophes, economic and social crisis. Yes, we are facing environmental catastrophe also we are facing, and economic and social crisis. Economic and social problems also we are facing. Today, a massive release from radioactivity from a nuclear waste disposal. Yes, the nuclear waste disposal is produces the radioactivity. It releases massive quantity of radioactivity that will be cause for human damages the human health. An earthquake in the middle of a megalopolis, an outburst of mass violence. Yes, the megapolis, the earthquake is happened in the megalopolis that is maybe cause for that natural digester, that is created the waves in the sea and waves in the it also creates the vibration in the earth, that may be cause for natural digester. An outburst of mass violence, yes, sometimes the people are also attend the or involved in the violence, or any other global disaster can cause up to a million of casualties. Yes, this type of global disasters, this type of global, the worldly, complete whole worldly disaster means the enemies or those who want to destroy or those who want to become selfish. So that may be cause of that millions of casualties, millions of people are come to end problems. The millions of people are get hunted or get hurted from these problems. Render large part of our world uninhabitable and trigger global economic depression. Yes, a large part of our world, the large part of portion of our world is uninhabitable means it becomes not good for living and trigger global economic risk. The world is facing the trigger global economic depression, right? Economical depression, the economical loss. Sometimes we facing the rapid economic loss in our life. That is also affected on our life. That is also cause for creating the violence in the world. Or a war in a hot region. Yes, in the hot places means the critical situation where the situation is sensitive, where the relations of the countries are become sensitive. That part is called hot region. In there, if a war is started, that is directly affected on worldly economic crisis. Worldly economic crisis. So such dangers keep growing, although trillions of dollars are spent to curtail them by all known techniques. Yes, such dangers may be growing. Such dangers growing, although trillions of dollars. It's not a small amount of economic problem. It's a trillions of dollars are spent to contain them by all known techniques. Yes, if we want to get the technology techniques, we are spending trillions of money for protecting us from the natural or man-made disasters. So, the hope and the responsibility for breaking the stalemate rests not only on the money but on intellectual resources. The hope and responsibility is the hopes, what are the we believe on that science, and responsibility, what we have the responsible, how we are become the cause for that all the problems. Responsibility are breaking the stalemate rests not only on the money. Yes, that is not based on the money but on intellectual resource. Yes, it not need only money but it also needs the intellectual, means intelligence, knowledge, intelligent persons, resource also we need. Though the money is more popular according to the French proverb. Yes, according to French proverb, money is more important. Like that, here is one of the proverb. Nobody is satisfied with his wealth. Everybody is satisfied with his wisdom. Yes, nobody is satisfied with the wealth. Means nobody is says that it is enough for wealth for him. He never says the money is enough for me. But everybody says satisfied their knowledge, their intelligence. So nobody is asked in front of the God about their knowledge. They are asking or begging for only the boon for economic wealth. So that's why here only basic research can create a springboard for developing new disasters. Yes, only the basic research can create the springboard for developing new disasters preparedness industry. Yes, here they create only Springboard means something that helps one to start doing something. Yes, springboard means it helps somebody to start some new things to do. So that's why the situation is it creates the research. It creates springboard means it motivates to others to create new things or develop new digestive preparedness industry. Develop new varieties of industry can be developed. So that type of knowledge is creating that basic science or basic research. Ours is the time of context, our over issue not completely understood. McGeorge Bendy says this. Ours is the time of context over issues not completely understood. Scientific research is an existing venture into the great unknown. Yes, scientific research is one of the existing venture. It is one of the good quality. And into the great now unknown, but it is unknown. A science we don't know completely because the science is never ending. And the token of humankind survival. Yes, this the quality of science, the venture of science is made that survival of humankind. It is the scientists with their tools that are up to the challenge. Yet it is the scientist with their tools that are up to the challenge. Yes, the scientists are the tools. Scientists are become tools for up to the challenge. They face the challenge and can ensure that we all safely move with the tide. A scientist who says that we are moving with safely because of science. Believing on the science, we can move or lead our life with safely. Finally, I have to remind, yes, Kailash Gorakh finally says that science is not the beginning. Yes, science is not the beginning and not the end. Science does not have beginning and end. However, if we use for the good purpose, science is their indispensable guardian. Science is become very useful and necessary for our guardian and caretaker. Science is become very caretaker, very useful and very useful to protect us. Science is protect us many problems because the science is very, it is not a beginning and it has not ending because it is humanly used. But how we use the science, that is important. Nowadays we are the use of science is saved the humankind from the virus corona. So like that many problems, many diseases are solving with the help of this science and technology. Okay students, today we completed this lesson, Science and Hope of Survival.